What is up, guys? As you just saw it, I traded the SUBIE for a Honda. I'm gonna show you guys what car it is right now. And honestly, it was such a good trade. It's like, fuck, what the hell? Hell no, I'm not gonna freaking trade nothing for the SUBIE. But yeah, guys, this is the beater right here. This is the car I drive pretty much on a daily basis to school and to get me around town and stuff like that during the week. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna wash it because it is filthy. And I don't know if you guys ever heard it on my Snapchat, but this exhaust on the muffler side, it has like probably a 3-inch hole on it, and it is so loud. Like, I freaking hate it. And a new muffler just got in today, and I might install it. I'm not sure, probably not though. But I'm definitely gonna put it on before this week comes up. This new week comes up. And right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it and then pretty much clean the interior, because even though it is my beater, I take care of this car. This was actually my like first car, because when I first got my license, this is what I drove until I found my own SUBIE, and then that's when I got my WRX. So this car has a lot of memories. And Kyle, if you're watching this, bro, you know what I'm talking about. This is the one we busted missions in high school. When we didn't have our license, like our full license, we only had our permits. Me and Kyle, when we would see a cop coming towards us on the opposite side of the road, we'd literally stand so straight and then put the window visors down and pretty much like cover our whole face. Like, I don't know why we did that, but we did. And like, obviously, you know, no matter what, they're gonna pull you over if you're like doing something dumb. But we were so like crazy. We would literally go everywhere in this car to try cities to go eat and skip school. Like, we were bad. But yeah, I'm gonna wash the car. Enough of that. Maybe later I'll tell you guys some more stories, but for sure I'm gonna wash the car, wash the SUBIE. And then I do got something special for the SUBIE. I'll show you guys when I get home after I wash the car. And it will make a big difference to the look of the car, and I am really excited. I've literally had this thing since my first video on YouTube. If you ever guys watched that, I told you guys I had a shipment coming in and I was gonna do a review and an install on that. And it's been in my garage for about like 2 months now. 1 month? No, like a month. It's been in my videos. I'm not gonna tell you guys where, but it's been in my videos and no one's noticed it yet. But right now I'm gonna install it, and hopefully you guys like it, because I am stoked. But yeah, guys, see you guys soon. Alright, I just finished the wash. I'm gonna take it home and dry it over there. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. See, it's so freaking loud, dude. Look. Oh, shit. There are people here. Like, I'm gonna put the windows down and I'm gonna step on it, that way you guys can hear. I literally sound like a freaking ricer out here, guys. This is not acceptable. I need to change this quick. I'm gonna show you guys how loud it is from the back. I'm telling you guys, just like I told you guys, that thing is super loud. But yeah, I have the muffler right here. I'll show you guys what's still in the box, so let me take it out. Alright, so this is the muffler we got. It goes out 2 tips and then it comes out all the way to like the mid pipe, I think. But the hole that's on the other exhaust, that one, it's underneath on this part, and it's literally cracked like right here. Let's see if I can show you guys. Oh, it was not like that. So obviously you can tell here it broke there, and then there's a hole right there. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I didn't see this one yet. Holy crap. The whole side of the exhaust came off, guys. The muffler, I mean, holy crap. But yeah, I'm gonna dry the car up right now, and then I'm gonna take the SUBIE to go for a wash. I just finished up the Honda. Check that thing out though. It's literally hanging off for its life. Yeah, we were overdue for a new exhaust muffler. It's been this loud for like a month or 2 now, and it's freaking annoying. As for the SUBIE, it is pretty dirty, guys. Last week I took it to my girlfriend's house and all the snow's been melting, so her road's like really bad as far as muddy because of all the snow that's on her driveway and like dirt road and stuff like that. This is one trip in and one trip out. Like, look how muddy that is. That is why I hate taking this car over there, but literally every time I go, like, I come out having to need a wash because it is bad. But yeah, I'm gonna take it for a wash. It shouldn't need a really big wash, just like a rinse with soap and stuff should be plenty. So chula! What's up, bro? Yeah. What are you doing? Did you notice me? Huh? Did you notice me? No. Say what's up to the vlog. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm installing something on the SUBIE. What are you doing? I'm installing it. Literally? Yeah, I am. You recording the car and it's dirty? Yeah, dude, this thing's still nice. You're gonna wash it right now or what? Huh? You're gonna wash it right now or what? Should I show you your dirty car or what? But yeah, I'm gonna wash the SUBIE right now and then get ready for the install. That's the homie Eduardo right there. I'll put his @ right here on Instagram or on Snapchat. But yeah, he has a nice FRS and that thing is super clean. But yeah, I'm gonna wash the SUBIE right now. I use this wheel and tire cleaner just to take off the contaminants on the wheels and tires. I just spray it on and let it sit for a little bit and then rinse the car off, and that should take literally every piece of mud or dirt off your wheels. And then I do bring my own wash mitt, so I just pretty much just, you know, put the brush over the car, let it foam out, and then just go off with the wash mitt. So be right back. By now I know most of you guys are wondering what I got for the car. This has been in the working for about a good 3 months. Actually, it was a gift from my girlfriend. She got it for me for my birthday, and she got it on Black Friday of last year. And it took them about 2 months to ship out because of the amount of shipments they had to do. And not only that, but they also had to make it and then get it sent out to get coated. I got it a matte black, so I should be going on the car right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. The diffuser is from Strafe Design. This is from an 02 to an 07 WRX or an STI. I just want to give a big shout out to them because even though they installed, they were making it seem really nice, and honestly I wasn't in a hurry so much, so yeah, that's why I wasn't really mad at them. I'm not gonna show you guys the install, but I'll have a different video for the install if you guys want to watch that and how I installed this. I have all my tools set up and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna put this on the car. So next thing you guys will see is the car with the diffuser, so stay tuned. Alright guys, it is the next morning now and I'm outside with the SUBIE right here. I am really stoked on how it came out. It came out the way I wanted it. And I just want to say thank you again to my girlfriend for getting this for my birthday. My birthday was in December and it is March now, and it's been like 3 months. But it is now finally on and I'm really stoked. And I don't know if you guys know, but I actually won a giveaway. There's 2 guys from Spokane that do video photography. I'll put their @ right here. You can check them out on Instagram. And they actually had a giveaway. And the giveaway consists of a video from a range of 1 minute to 2 minutes. And with the value of $1,000 from anything you want. So pretty much they're gonna come out, or I'm gonna go over there and they're gonna record whatever I want. And what I chose to be recorded is a SUBIE, just because that is what my channel's about. and I'm gonna get a really good video on that. They're really good editors, they have the software, and they have really good cameras. And from what I know, I actually follow a guy on YouTube named Devin, and he's a car enthusiast as well, and he's from Spokane. I'll put his ad right here for his YouTube channel. Check him out because he has really good content, and I actually heard about the giveaway through him. So I just want to give a thank you to Devin. I probably wouldn't have known about the giveaway if it wasn't for him, so thank you to him. And I'm really stoked. It should be coming during my spring break, so April 1st, throughout the first week of April. And pretty much, yeah guys, just stay tuned with the video. It should be really good. I'm really stoked to be working with them and then see what we can get on the SUBIE. But enough talk of that, I'm gonna show you guys the SUBIE right now. Alright guys, as you guys seen, it is a diffuser. This diffuser is from Strafe Design. You can go check them out online or whatever. They have really good stuff for cars. They have splitters, they have side skirts, they have diffusers, and then they have all sorts of kind of things for cars. So check them out. They don't sponsor me whatsoever for this video, and I will do a review on this later on after it's been on the car for a while. But I do have some complaints about it, and there is some things I really do love about it, so just stay tuned for that video later on. I will be posting an install video later on as well if you guys want to check that out for the people that are curious on how to install diffusers. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned guys. This should be a good upcoming month, and I am so stoked to be working with those guys like I said, so stay tuned. Peace.